Welcome in Unique series. Today we are looking top 5 one of the most liked music video on YouTube. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Gangnam Style is a song by South Korean musician PSY, released on 15 July 2012 by YG Entertainment as the lead single of his 6th studio album PSY 6 Part 1. As a K-pop and dance pop song, the term Gangnam Style is a Korean neologism that refers to a lifestyle association with Gangnam district of Seoul. The song received mixed reviews for its catchy beats and PSY amazing dancing in music video and during live performance in various locations around the world. The song and its music video went viral in August 2012 and have influenced popular culture worldwide. Today, total views on Gangnam Style music video is more than 3.8 billion with 19 million likes. Faded is a song by Norwegian record producer and DJ Alan Walker with vocals provided by Norwegian singer Iselin Solheim. The single was originally set to be released on 25 November 2015 but was postponed to 3 December 2015. The song was highly successful, peaking in the top 10 most of the countries it charted in and reached to top spot in more than 10 countries. It is currently the 21st most viewed video on YouTube as well as being the 29th most streamed song on Spotify. This song published on 4 December 2015 on YouTube. Today more than 2.87 billion views on it with 21 million likes. Shape of You is a song sung by English singer-songwriter Ed Sheeran. It was released as a digital download on 6 January 2017. Shape of You peaked at number 1 on the singles charts of 34 countries, including the US Billboard Hot 100, later becoming the best performing song of 2017, as well as the UK, Australian and Canadian singles charts. On 10 December 2018, this song became the first song to hit over 2 billion streams and most streamed song on Spotify. This song won the Grammy Award for Best Pop Solo Performance. Today, total views on Shape of You song on YouTube is more than 5 billion with 24 million likes. See You Again is a song recorded by American rapper Wiz Khalifa featuring American singer-songwriter Charlie Puth. The track was commissioned for the soundtrack of 2015 action film Fast and Furious 7 as a tribute to actor Paul Walker, who died in a single-wheel accident on 30 November 2013 in California. The artist co-wrote this song with its co-producer DJ Frankie and Andrew Sidor. See You Again was released on 10 March 2015 as the soundtrack lead single in the United States. Today, total views on See You Again on YouTube is more than 4.75 billion with 30 million likes. Despacito is an American-Spanish song sung by Lucy Fonsi featuring Puerto Rican rapper Daddy Yankee, released on 12 January 2017. That song was written by Lucy Fonsi, Akira Ender and Daddy Yankee. A remix version featuring Canadian singer-songwriter Justin Bieber was released on 17 April 2017. Despacito has been widely credited by music journalists as being the instrumental in popularizing Spanish language pop music in mainstream market again. Today, total views on Despacito song on YouTube is more than 6.99 billion with 40 million likes. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos.